Check this smart scale out. This thing is beautiful. I just literally open it up and set it up. It already comes with the batteries, so I just want to make sure that you know this. Has 4 AAA batteries that it comes with, so that's a perfect thing because out of the box you can use it right away. Now what makes this a smart scale, I mean it's gorgeous by the way. I love the fact that as soon as you step onto it, it lights up and kind of like changes colors into like this purplish hue once you're done with the weight. And it connects with your phone. As you can see, I just weighed myself earlier and I've got that, I can do it kilograms, of course, I've got pounds, 178.6, and you've got all of this information that is literally taken within seconds, provided that you do a proper job at weighing yourself, meaning your heels and toes have to touch those nodes. So if those nodes are actually in contact with your feet, you're good to go. You have to do it barefoot. Of course, the scale is going to be able to weigh you if you've got socks or shoes, but it won't be able to give you all of that data that is super important. Whether we're talking water weight, body water, subcutaneous fat, visceral fat, all that stuff that we're all, it's not just about this number. Oftentimes we need to get a little bit more into details. And this thing by Alcedo is fantastic. And it looks really, really nice.